Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody. It's me Richard Kevin, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your insufficient storage on Genshin Impact. So basically when this problem occurs when you try to install your Genshin Impact game, it just shows you insufficient storage. So if you're facing this problem, then there's the easiest way to fix it because it's a straightforward problem and there's a straightforward answer for that. Now before I tell you the answer, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's jump into the video. So the problem says insufficient storage, which basically means that your PC or your laptop does not have sufficient storage in order to store Genshin Impact. For example, Genshin Impact is a 50 GB game, and if your laptop only has 25 GB available space, then it's not gonna work. You need to have 50 GB free in order to install Genshin Impact. Now, the way to solve this problem, one, you need to delete videos, folder, games, anything you don't want from your device and make sure to free up at least 50 GB, at least 50, all right? But if you want to get like a smoother gameplay and like more FPS, you need to make sure you have 60 GB free. You need that extra 10 GB for flexibility, all right? But it's a 50 GB game, so make sure you have at least 50 GB free space. But if you don't, then let's say for an example, you have two storage unit, local disk C, local disk D. If you can't save it in local disk C because it's full, then when you're trying to install Genshin Impact, make sure to install it in your secondary hard disk like your local disk D. But if you don't have this like secondary hard disk, then the only way to fix your problem is to free up your space. It completely says like insufficient storage. So make storage. You need to free up space or bring a new hard disk, input it in your computer, and then put your Genshin Impact game on that, hard disk, the one which has 50 GB free, alright? So that's the way on how you guys can fix this problem. It sounded a bit technical, but I hope you guys understand. If you didn't, you can ask us in the comment which question you didn't understand or which answer you didn't understand, alright? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye and peace out.